Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to fix Google Photo storage problem on your mobile phone. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile phone, if I open and take a photo means I need to take a backup, so my memory space is full. What I have to do here? So how to solve this problem? Simple and easiest tip: while you log in with your mobile phone into your laptop or desktop, the simple setting you need to make and you can free up all the face spaces. What I have to do here? Yes, from a laptop or desktop, just open Chrome browser and just on your account, so there will be a Google Apps. Just click the app and just go to Google Photos. Once you click at Google Photos will be displayed over here. So there are plenty of photos will be displaying over here, so you can able to see the sharing and photos, everything will be there. So if you want to make a settings option, in your right hand side corner you will find a settings option. Just hit the button settings option. There will be a backup quality for photos and video will be there. There will be original photo quality, store photos, videos, no changes their quality, but there is a storage saver will be there. This is what I just want to share with you. Store more at a slightly reduce the quality. Just choose this option so that your setting will be saving over here, so that you can able to see which option is best for your things. So you can make a backup with a quality as well as it will be store more spaces. So choose this option and make this your Google Photos into store in your online, as well as your space will be in a freeness. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.